Hi everyone, this is Dr. Susan Marra with Dr. Marra's Medical Minutes, and today we're going to talk about sarcopenia or muscle wasting and urolithin A. So as you know, with chronic illness and deconditioning, as well as in aging, you see quite a bit of muscle atrophy, and that's when the muscles become small and weak because of lack of muscle mass and lack of conditioning or lack of moving them. So this is obviously a pretty big problem in the complex chronic illness patient population. And there is a way to change that. There is something called urolithin A. And urolithin A is not something that you can take. It is, but there are several biochemical reactions that have to happen in order for urolithin A to be produced. Urolithin A is a metabolic byproduct of the breakdown of pomegranates, walnuts, raspberries, and there's one other fruit I can't remember. And those fruits contain something called ellagitannins. And once those fruits and nuts, once you swallow them and they get into your stomach and then into your intestines, the microbiota, the microorganisms in your gut, the good bacteria, chew that up and hydrolyze something called ellagic acid. Ellagic acid is then metabolized into urolithin A, and urolithin A is extremely helpful for conditions of sarcopenia, muscle wasting, and deconditioning. There's lots of studies on this, and urolithin is really a wonderful remedy to aging muscles and to deconditioned muscles. So you understand that urolithin A is the byproduct of several different biochemical reactions in a normal healthy gut. Well, now a company called Timeline has developed the supplement urolithin A, and it's called Mitopure, Mitopure, by Timeline. And you can Google Timeline and you can see it, Mitopure. And so I'm encouraging patients, especially my elderly patients, to try that out. It's not cheap. It's about $100 a month, I think. But it might be well worth it. I'm certainly going to try it. I just ordered it. And I've been doing a lot of research on it. And it looks like it's very promising. And it looks like it's one of the benefits of, when you feed your gut a good diet, then the microbiota are happy and they produce things like urolithin A. And then urolithin A, in turn, feeds the rest of the body, specifically the muscles, and keeps them toned and keeps muscle wasting at bay. So you want to try and eat pomegranates, raspberries, walnuts, and can't remember what the other food was. I want to say strawberries, but I don't think so. In any case, eat those foods, and they have ellagitannins in them, and then the ellagitannins get hydrolyzed to form ellagic acid, and then ellagic acid gets used to form urolithin A. And urolithin A is a wonderful way to combat muscle wasting. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.